What's going up, guys? Hector here again. Little over 5 months for the dreadlocks, and as you can see, hair's getting longer, getting a little curlier, and then again, just a ton more of these are popping up, getting a little bit more solid. Um, I'll just give you a quick look. So yeah, that is my hair at about 5 months from natural dreadlocks. And actually, the other day I got bored and actually decided to make this guy. Actually, two of them. I twisted and ripped them, and then just twisted and ripped them together at the bottom. Um, I have one dreadlock. It's all good though. Yeah, pretty much I've been doing the same thing. My hair with washing. I've actually been washing it a little bit less. And somebody commented on the 4-month video saying that if I keep using the apple cider vinegar, that actually makes your hair too silky and fine, so that'll take a lot more time to dreadlock if you do keep using the apple cider vinegar, or if you ever were. So when I wash it now, I'm not using that anymore. I just use the baking soda in the sink and give it a nice thorough scrub, and again let it sit for a while, and then rinse it back out. And other than that, I really haven't been doing anything with it. I mean, natural dreadlocks, so that's kind of the point. But as you can see, like I said earlier, just a lot of these popping up, and they're not knotted yet, but they're getting there. And when I feel around, I can just, like, this feels really thick, and that feels pretty tight together, so they're sticking together a little bit more, which is good. Somebody told me salt water, get a salt water spray and spray it in there and kind of scrub it around, because the salt makes friction between the hairs, and then that just kind of knots it up. And again, I'm still using that little wool pillowcase thing that I knitted a while ago on my pillowcase, and every morning after I wake up from that, it's just gnarly and all over the place. That's what you want, so that's good. But yeah, not a whole lot has changed besides, it's getting longer, it's getting more tangled, and a couple people, I see them and they're like, Hector, hair's looking good, looking dreadlocky, and I say thank you, that's what I'm going for. The sides are still, when I started, I don't know if you saw the first video I had, but the sides were shorter, so the top is probably going to start dreadlocking a little bit earlier, but I don't think it'll be that big a deal. Yeah, my hair it's getting a lot curlier too, I've noticed. It usually got curly when I just grew it out. It was kind of straight on top, and then at the end it was all puffy and whatnot, but it's pretty puffy and curly all over, which is good. You can kind of see down there, like, all this stuff that's really thick. I try to leave that stuff alone, because I feel like that'll start pretty quick. But yeah, again, like I said, just feeling around, they're feeling more solid every day. The only thing is, if people like try and run their hands through my hair, they're like, can I feel it? Or they just do it, and I'm like, no, don't do that, you're stopping my dreads. But it's not that big deal. It hasn't made too big of a difference. So yeah, here's my hair, and it's my 5-month video. Later, guys.